Welcome to MessageWhiz's deep dive into RCS messaging in 2025. Rich Communication Services, or RCS, is revolutionizing how businesses connect with customers. Unlike traditional SMS, RCS offers rich media, interactive buttons, and verified sender profiles. On Android devices, RCS enables verified business profiles, delivering trust and brand recognition instantly. Customers can interact with your messages through quick reply buttons, carousel product displays, and location sharing. For iPhone users, MessageWhiz ensures seamless fallback to rich SMS formats, maintaining engagement while adhering to device capabilities. Implementing RCS through MessageWhiz is straightforward. First, you access your dashboard, then you select RCS as your messaging channel. You can choose from our pre-built templates, customize your rich media elements, and set up fallback SMS options. Track delivery rates, read receipts, and button interactions in real time through our comprehensive analytics dashboard. To learn more, go to MessageWhiz.com and start your journey now.